Kawasaki Heavy Industries has signed a memorandum of understanding with Airbus to work together in developing and building the hydrogen fuel infrastructure in Japan. Japan has been moving aggressively to implement an H2-based economy in its decarbonization strategy. That said, in order to use this carbon emission-free energy source, an extensive hydrogen fuel infrastructure will need to be established. Kawasaki Heavy Industries will be working with Airbus in order to develop the necessary networks and equipment for that H2 ecosystem. Even though Kawasaki Heavy Industries spun off its motorcycle operation last year, both of the branches of Kawi are actively pursuing clean energy alternatives to fossil fuels for powering their future fleets. Together with the Airbus aviation giant, it is seeking to ensure that everything is in place in Japan to make that happen. Kawasaki and Airbus will be developing the hydrogen fuel ecosystem roadmap and then building it. Both companies will be establishing a roadmap for the implementation of the critical hydrogen fuel infrastructure network under the agreement they recently signed. The MOU will also have both Kawasaki and Airbus combining their resources in order to overcome supply chain challenges as they work to create airport hydrogen hubs installations. We are very pleased to work with Japan's leading hydrogen supplier Kawasaki. This partnership will obviously accelerate and promote efforts by the Japanese government to achieve a carbon-neutral, decarbonized society from overall aircraft operations in 2050, said Stephanie Jinu, president of Airbus Japan, in a statement about the Sustainable Resources Project. We strongly believe that the use of hydrogen, both in synthetic fuels and as a primary power source for commercial aircraft, has the potential to significantly reduce aviation's climate impact. Hydrogen is a clean energy that emits no CO2 when used and is suitable as sustainable fuel, said Motohiko Nishimura, Kawasaki Executive Officer and Deputy General Manager of Hydrogen Strategy Division. We have specialized in the development of infrastructure for liquefaction, transportation, storage, and transport to receiving terminals, contributing to the construction and expansion of supply chains for the hydrogen market. We are confident that our technology will connect the hydrogen production and consumption areas, creating a new road called Hydrogen Road. Airbus will be contributing the aircraft characteristics data, fleet energy usage information, and H2-powered planes info to get the project off to a running start. For its part, Kawasaki will expand the hydrogen fuel infrastructure deployment scenarios for specific airport locations, and will identify the supply chain technology drivers. Thank you for picking hydrogenfuelnews.com. Don't miss your free access to our exclusive ebook, just sign up today. Follow this story and more on HFN.